The intrusion of foreigners into Indian soil is something that has caused concern to the government, but even more so to inhabitants of border areas across the country. In a similar incident that had occurred recently, some Bangladeshis had managed to cross over to the Indian territory along the BALAT-MAWPYLLUN-BORSORA-NONGJRI areas in the southwest KHASI Hills district of Meghalaya. While referring to the intrusion, the KHASI Students' Union Southwest KHASI Hills Circle informed that an incident had recently occurred wherein Bangladeshis had beaten up a few residents of the border areas and even destroyed a motorcycle belonging to one of them. This has brought about a feeling of insecurity and fear amongst the people of the state living in these border areas. Following the incident, the KSU Southwest KHASI Hills Circle had met officials of the district administration to apprise them of the matter and to request for the Border Security Force and state police to work together so as to prevent future illegal entry of foreign migrants along the border between Meghalaya and Bangladesh.
Berkunjung mari hapo uput sam dan sarwas selesai khantam hapo area joka nok bosora nongjri berkunta terter area kampung ke Bangladesh dia nak lang juni natasi nak lang isu sarwas selesai lawan bani kendu yau ADC ba in charge DC sport mata di ba SC lalu ha ka bang lapan sngo ya ki arli ki mat ki ba hajing sha kamdai kasin ke Banangkong bangi Jepun Snow ke INTRUSION re nadu arja khatlo berkunta terter Jepun Snow re ke basusi pat kalong hatu menta nak leng jong di Port District di Bosokar isem lala ban penolong ya kata ka jingkular lane ban penterkam ta kendon di bahajing sya ki longgar bakum ka ai ke Banangkong kamat ke bangi ya kendu kade habde kani ka district level team lane ka work permit scheme baong habade bekani ke benta ke jingsya kalong bangi lapan kan mau kumbang jipen kan mau por balik ya ka wi ka notification ne ke jimpen bana na ka political department ya ka bala penmi ha south rek jong banai Oktober josnam arjar kadwai ha ka tu ka notification na dangi phai ka peni ba kandon ka district level team haman di district but kata ka kamram juga district level team kalong ba kan register ya kita gibru bana barjala ki banan rung dah jin pu ban wan belah po jo kodong kathan khnang ba kinom yolat ban long mitrasnong lani ban rung hak latar rul bar kumta terter ting lapan kan mau kata ka benta namar hajing sya kalong bangi lapan kan mau kini duduk por menswa re ke basosi kalong bang perla ban ai hoj lala ban set up ka district level team nadu kasnem arjar kan reu re ke basosi kalong ba nalor bala set up ka district level team nalor ba la adep thung ya ki level inspector hapo jongka ranikor block bar mokora block re ke basusi pat kalong ba ki level inspector kim sem la pandep eta kamram ka bakum kani ka notification ha ka bakin register ya kita ki barjala ki barung ki bami nani da ka jing temu berwan bala hapo jongka upu dusam jongka southwest district